How much can you change your life in 6 months? That's the question I'm going to answer, and I'm going to start now. I'm 56 years old, and after a lifetime in the trades, I'm beat up, tired, and out of shape. The jobs have gotten harder. I'm carrying too many injuries, and right now I'm working at a part-time job that's more stressful and harder than anything I've done in the past, at least at this time in my life. This isn't where I thought I'd be at this point in my life. I've started over before. Sometimes I've been successful and sometimes I haven't. I don't need a quick fix. This isn't going to be a 30-day challenge or 6 weeks to a new life or whatever, where you just push and burn out. What I want is steady, sustainable progress that lasts. My next birthday is January 30th, which is not quite, but almost 6 months away. That's going to be my next target. The first few weeks will be all about rebuilding, laying down sustainable habits to make sure this sticks. After that, I'll be stacking progress, step by step. Nothing flashy, just real changes that add up. I'm not talking to you as a guru. I don't have all the answers, but I do know this. In 6 months, your life can be completely different. So follow along to see how far I can go. Better yet, join me. Feel free to leave comments about your own journey and how far you're going. Share your progress as well. Start your own 6-month transformation today. By the end, we might both be living an entirely new life.